Amogus, anime lang tayo. Paano yan? They will split the money. Kapag, hindi natin masasabi. But at this point, malamang they're gonna vote to leave the games because of what Mickey Mouse did to us in the 5th game. Pinupush nila kanina si Rat, si Foxy, and Steve. He pushed 3 people in the 5th game. And so therefore, if he didn't do that, almost all of us could have made it to the 5th game. But guess what? 6 na lang tayo. A while ago there are 14. Now there are only 6. That means the majority got eliminated from the 5th game because of what Mickey Mouse did. Oh man, you're making sense, Among Us. You have to get out of here lang. Pero, paano nga ba yung mysterious host Among Us? Hindi na pa natin alam kung sino-sino pa siya. Tingnan natin yung Cuphead, no? Let's see what we'll see, okay? Tingnan natin. Uy, Cuphead! Cuphead! Among Us! Uy guys! Andito pala kayo mga magagaling pa din. Oo nga, andito pa kayo, hindi kayo sumusuko sa pag-survive, ah. Yeah, that's right. Kahit sinong pipiliin namin, we will just vote that person and then kahit sino man tayo, we will just have to leave the games. Wait, Polar Bear, really? You guys gonna leave the games? Tama ka dyan, Cuphead. We're all gonna leave the games, right? Tama, lahat tayo makapag-leave ng games with over 500,000 pesos. Kaya nga, okay na sa akin yung 500,000 pesos. We don't need 1,000,000 pesos just to get out of here tapos maging mayaman pa tayo. Okay? Ayaw wanna maging greedy. Tama yan. Kaya mas mabuti pa. Kapag sa voting, we have to get out of here, okay? Okay na sa akin yung 600,000 or 500,000. Wala na akong paki dyan. Yeah, tsaka 6 lang tayo. Tsaka tinan mo nangyari kanina sa 5th game. Pinapus ni Mickey Mouse 3 players. Rat, Foxy, and Steve. So, I guess, kahit sino man ang pipiliin natin sa next vote, all of us will pick, right? Oo nga, no? Pwede. So all of us are good guys here. Oo nga, tama. Lahat tayo dito, makaka-start yun ng buhay. Oo nga, oo nga, tama. Kaya, kahit ano mangyari, aalis na lang tayo dito. Okay, guys, huwag kayong maging foolish, ha? If you guys got the majority, you have to vote to leave the games. Oo nga, tama. Maniniwala ako kaya mo sa Cuphead. Kailangan natin umalis dito. Yeah, that's right. Okay? Guys, don't mess this voting, okay? We already played 5 games and I think sabi ng host may 6 games daw. So, I don't think we could play further than this. Oo nga. Alright! Yan na. Diyan na si Mysterious Host. Oo nga, yan na. Congratulations sa mga natitirang 6 players who survived the first 5 games. Freddy, Larry, White Polar Bear, Anxiety, Amogus, and Cuphead. Lahat kayo ay pinaghirapan ng sarili niyo to make this far. And so therefore, ibibigay ko sa inyo ang hint ng 6th game bago ang voting. What? Bibigyan tayo ng hint ng 6th game? Oh shoot. Ano yung 6th game? Huh? What? There's a hint? So host, ano yung hint sa 6th game? Alright, so for the 6th and the final game of the series, you only have to eliminate 2 players pala, my bad. So all you have to do is eliminate 2 players? Yeah, that's right. Pero, you can eliminate more than 2 players if you want 25 million pesos. Oh shoot. So that means, kapag ginawa namin yun, we can all get out of here? Yes, tama yun. The rest of you will get out of here. 4, so if you eliminate the minimum of 2 players, the 4 of you will get out of here na paghati-hati ninyo na may kasamang dagdag pa ng 25 million pesos. Oh, okay. Pero, guys, may pera pa, hindi pa natatapos dito. Oh no. Which ano yun? Kapag more than 1 player na-survive, there will be a final twist. So hindi porket dinalo kayo sa last game, hindi nyo agad-agad pagkati-hatian ng pera. Oh shoot. There's a final twist. Huh? Wait guys, the host says there's a final twist. So that means we can just vote to leave the games right here and right now. Oo nga. Alright, so alam niyo na ang mangyayari sa 6th game, kaya mangyayari na yun ang voting. Yan na, voting naman. So I'm gonna pick 2 random players once again at hindi ko na paligoy-ligoy pa. Yan na, mga 2 players. Alright, so Amogus and Larry, please move forward. Amogus, ikaw napili. Oh. Alright, guys. Tara, vote natin. Wait guys, actually, vote na lang natin si Amogus dahil siya yung pinakatiwala natin. Oo nga. Si Amogus na lang. Yan na. Alright, so, before we vote, I'm gonna announce the results of the 5th game. Oo nga pala, magkano pala uwi natin? I don't know man, I don't know. Alright, so, in the 5th game, 8 players was eliminated. We now have 6 players remain. And so therefore, the prize will be split amongst the players will be a total prize money of 4,700,000 pesos. Ang dami naman nun ah. Ang dami naman nun. And each player will get 783,333 pesos. Wow! Grabe ah! Almost 800,000. Ibig sabihin malapit na sa 1 million if I'm going to round it off. Amogus, di ba, hati-hati natin yun? Oo nga. Okay na sa akin, 783,333 pesos. Guys, vote na lang natin si Amogus because I don't care about my vote anyways. My vote is useless. Oo nga, vote na lang natin si Amogus, guys. Okay. Oo nga, ready na ako dyan 783,333 pesos. Hindi natin kailangan ng million pesos, guys, okay? All we have to do is to get out of this place with 780,000 pesos at hindi natin kailangan 25 million pesos. Tama. Hindi natin kailangan maging greedy dito. Yeah, that's right. Let's vote for Amogus, okay? Deal's a deal? Yup. Deal's a deal. Alright, so, ang choices nyo ay si White Polar versus Amogus. Alright, start the vote. Alright, tapos na ang voting. Alright. Okay, we voted Amogus. Yeah. We all voted Amogus for sure. Yeah, that's right. Alright, so, ang player na may 5 votes ay si Amogus. Yes, si Amogus. Yes! With White Polar Bear na may 0 votes, hindi mo na nga lang sabihin host. Alam namin si White Amogus naman na dahil pinaplano namin. Oo nga. Don't care about... I didn't vote anyways. Huh? What? Hindi ka bumoto? Oh, kaya nga 5 votes lang eh. I don't care about my votes anyways. So I'm gonna vote for you, Amogus. So if I were going to vote, I'm gonna vote for you anyways. Oh, kaya pala 5 votes lang eh. Alright, Amogus. Dahil ikaw may 5 votes, anong pipiliin mo? Leave the games with 783,000 pesos. Yun o, tara! Guys, mag-celebrate tayo! Yes, let's go! Nanalo tayo ng 783,000 pesos pare! Yun o! Oh! Hindi natin kailangan ng 25 million pesos! Mwah! Tama! Wow! Let's go, bro! Let's go! Let's go! Galing na Amogus, guys ah! Oo nga, galing na Amogus! Salamat sa inyo guys. Let's go. Alright. Host. Dahil pinili nyo mag-split ng 783,000 pesos up to this point. Well, up to this point, congratulations 6 of you dahil nanalo kayo ng 783,000 pesos. Yes. Let's go. Alright, so dahil dyan, please hug the prize money in front. Huh? May money! Tara! Woo! Let's go! Mayroon tayo 780,000 pesos! Grabe, ang yaman na natin guys! Oo nga! Let's go! Nanalo tayo ng 780,000 pesos! Grabe ah! Ang yaman na natin! Oo nga, grabe! Grabe yung pera, parang totoo Oo nga, parang solid talaga. Gagamitin pa natin ito pang bayad ng second hand cars. Yeah, that's right. Wait. Hold on. Huh? Larry, bakit? Bakit Larry? Paano tayo makalabas dito anyways? We already have the money though. Wait, we can just move it together, right? Huh? Tara, move natin. Tara. Can anyone help me? Tara. Move natin. Wala. Kahit marami pa tayo dito, hindi natin matutulog to. Huh? Wait a minute. That's kinda weird. Ba't hindi na patulak ang pera? Di pa nagsasalita na yung host further. Wait a minute. Hold on. What? Wait! Kami nangyari sa'yo! Wait! Bakit ka yung pera? Wait! Ano nangyari dito? Parang kailangan ko touch yung pera. Ba't tayo, babe? Ba't tayong iniwasan maghawak ng money? Oo nga, ba't parang may parang gun laser na binabad sa akin dito? Huh? Huh? What? Huh? Wait a minute. May nag-shoot sa akin dito sa laser. Hindi natin mahawak yung pera. Huh? Wait, that's weird. How do we touch them? How do we get off this thing, bro? I have no idea, man. Binabalik lang tayo dito. Huh? Mwah! Wait, tumatawa si Mysterious Host. Hayop pa. May parang tumatawa. Hindi pa dito natatapos. Akala nyo yung ganun ang kadali panalo ng 783,000 pesos? Oh, shoot. Grabe, nagkalt na yung host. Hold on, this is not right. Host! Hayop ka! Ano nangyari sa'yo? It was all of a sudden. Actually, I prepared 6 games. Kaya nga, you prepared 6 games, pero you only played 5 games. Kaya nga, 5 games ang nilaro namin. Ano problema dun? Hinanda ko yung 6 games pinaghiyapan mo yan. And now you only played 5 games. Ang hinanda kong grand prize money for this whole series is 25 million pesos. At ngayon, gusto niyo lang manalo dito ng 783,000 pesos lang? I work hard for you guys. What? Hindi namin kailangan ng 25 million pesos. At kailangan lang namin ay 780,000 pesos. We won't risk our lives for playing the last game. And with that kind of money, mananalo na kami ng second-hand cars dito sa Pilipinas. Kailangan namin ng kotse. At hindi namin kailangan maging mayaman. Tama. We don't need to buy cringes rich stuffs. Kailangan lang namin ay second-hand cars and that's it. Yeah, that's right. Di ako papayag siya, mga hayop kayo. Huh? Grabe. Ano nga sa Mysterious Host? What? Huh? Kaya dahil dyan, hindi kayo makalabas dito ng 780,000 pesos dahil sa pagdidesisyon ninyo, mga hayop kayo. Shoot. Oh no. Uy! Andyan si Mysterious Host. What the? Huh? Blah! Oh shoot! Si Don Quixote! Oh shoot! Siya pala yung nang-host ng game na ito. What the? Si Don Quixote! Ikaw ba yung gagawin mo? Kala niyang gano'n lang kasipin sa paglapit niyo sa akin, sa pag-attack niyo sa akin sa pag-threaten. I was the Mysterious Host all the time! Kala niya gano'n kasipin yun. I controlled everything. And those 94 players, andun na sila sa elimination box. Mabaho pa naman ang hininga nila dun. And they're spectating you right now habang nandun sila magsiksikan. Parang nasa tuloy ng MRT. Ayun ka Mysterious Host ah. Ikaw pala yung dahil ng bakit ganito ang nangyayari. Ayun ka Mysterious Host. Hindi na kami maniniwala sa isa competition na ito. We voted to leave the games and now you resist us accepting the decision to leave the games ha. Kala mo gano'n lang kadaling game 6 ha? Dahil ang 6 game mo, ha? Walang kwenta. Magtataksil kami. We won't accept like that. That's why we chose to leave the games and being greedy. Tama si White Polar Bear. Mag-leave games kami with 783,000 pesos. Hayop ka! Siyempre, hindi lang ganun posible magpanalo ng 783,000 pesos. But, it's harder to win 25 million pesos. Eh, andito na kayo eh. Para manalo ng 25 million pesos. But you guys just hold it in the back. You guys ignore my offer of 25 million pesos for me. And so therefore, may isang game pa kayo lalunin. Just to make it this far, you guys have to leave the games just right before you win 25 million pesos. Oh, tama. Kaya, kahit anong gagawin mo sa amin, hindi kami papayag na mananalo kami ng 25 million pesos. We won't risk our lives further. Yeah, that's right. Tingnan natin dyan. But anyways, dahil dito, may extra game ako papalaro ko sa inyo. This is not 6 game anyways. Ito ay interlude. Second interlude game. Shoot! Maglalaro na naman tayo ng interlude game. Oh shoot. What? Gotta be kidding me. Sa game na ito ay kailangan nyo mag-survive. That's it. Good luck sa inyo. Hand ka mysterious host. Oh, shoot! Nawala si mysterious host. Huh? What the? Paano yan? Oh no! Nawala yung pera! Naku, paano yan? I don't know what to do now. Uy! Cuphead, watch out! Huh? Uy! Ano yan? Huh? What the? Kami ang secret army ni Mysterious Host dahil sa pagpili niyo mag-leave ng episode 783,000 pesos. Ako na ba sa inyo? Uy! Tama siya sabi niyo. Oh no, dada! Oh no, kailangan mag-iwas! Shoot, grabe! Nakayos naman to! Uy! Anxiety! Ano naman, ha?